Hello everyone, now I am going to supermarket of our local area for buying the new 3x3 Rubik's Cube of YJ which have just now arrived here. So let's see what is that cube looks like. So I have gone. They do not give me allow to play the camera, so I stopped that. So this is the cube of YJ. So no, this is the unboxing video of that. Hello guys, welcome to Keeping Fever Pro. So in this video I am going to make an unboxing of the YJ unknown cube. So let's unbox it. I have also not tasted it. More. Now see what inside. Oh, it is something rough from outside. It is rough. Whoa! It is some rough, not the stickers is rough, but it is so cool, and it have a angle corner piece which does not resist the corner twist easily. And now let's see what is inside. It has a cool mechanism. If you know the name of this cube, please give in the comment section the name of this cube. And this is from YJ. And this is the cube. So thanks for watching. See you.